all of the growth that we have seen, and it's always upwards trending because we didn't do everything at the same time.
Yeah.
We stack them one after the other so we can grow faster and faster. It was well planned to be always on the rise, and we can continue doing this as long as we can fund this. And you mentioned again product, distribution channels, and team. We mentioned first time founders focus on product, second time on distribution, third time on team. And truth is, you have to focus on all three.
Yeah.
And but if you start from the team, and you know that you have to build do the right marketing, build your own distribution channels, and owning the distribution channel is very important. Right now, I told you $200,000 in revenue, 110 for us. Why? Because the money is the value is captured by a partner, and this is not what you want to do. So if you have money, you can build your own distribution channels, capture more of the value. By the way, another thing, models. Our users have paid $600,000 to OpenAI and Microsoft Azure for using models. We can capture this value as well with our own models, open source models that we build on top of. And with good funding, we can do this as well, and we can capture more value and build the right distribution channel. Find the people, build the right distribution channels, and finally innovate the product and build the world-class product that we know are capable of building.
Yeah, for sure. It sucks that we cannot experiment that freely right now. We have so many ideas, like we have so many ideas, and we want to go into like this specific direction of automation, underpinning the future of work, and securing the future of work in Team-GPT. But we can only currently, meet the needs of our existing users who are not thinking at scale, who are not yet as far ahead as we are in our imagination and in our research. But that's gonna come.
It's gonna come, yeah. This is my focus right now. Focus on finding the right partners.
Yeah.